Transforming upstream oil and gas, a roadmap for digital success. Hey there. Today we're exploring how upstream oil and gas operations can embrace digital transformation, not as a trend, but as a strategic move to thrive in an ever-changing world. The oil and gas industry is going through some serious shifts. Volatile prices, growing expectations for sustainability, and increasing complexity in operations. To keep moving forward, we need to go beyond just adopting the latest tech tools. What we really need is a change in mindset, a way of working that helps us become more efficient, reduce our costs, and leave a lighter footprint on the planet. Let's walk through a roadmap to help make that happen. 1. Setting a clear vision. What do we want to achieve? Before diving into technology, it's important to pause and ask ourselves why. What problems are we solving? Are we aiming to cut costs, improve safety, reduce emissions, or all of the above? When we're clear on our goals, we make better decisions, and strong leadership is key here. It ensures that everyone, from the rig floor to the boardroom, is aligned and rowing in the same direction. 2. Investing in smart technologies, the building blocks of the digital oil field. Think of technology as a set of tools, not magic, but powerful enablers. Take smart sensors, for instance. These little devices can quietly monitor pressure, flow rates, or pipeline conditions, sending back data in real time. That means we spot issues early, before they become big problems. Then there's data analytics and cloud computing. With all the data we're collecting, we need a way to process it quickly and find patterns we'd otherwise miss. That's where the cloud steps in. And let's not forget automation and robotics. They help us handle routine tasks like inspections more safely and efficiently, freeing our people to focus on what really matters. 3. Connecting the dots, how data drives better decisions. Here's where it gets interesting. Imagine all those smart devices feeding data into one integrated system. That data gets analyzed instantly, and if something looks off, the right people are alerted right away. We call that predictive maintenance. It helps us fix things before they fail, keeping operations smooth and avoiding downtime. By looking at production data from wells and pipelines, we can also optimize output, reduce waste, and respond faster when things change. And when safety is on the line, real-time monitoring and automated alerts can make all the difference. 4th, streamlining operations, making work easier and more efficient. Digital tools don't just help with big-picture strategy, they make everyday work easier too. With remote monitoring, experts can oversee operations from anywhere, reducing site visits and keeping people safe. Digital workflows take the paper out of paperwork. Things like permits, reports, and checklists get handled faster and more accurately. And with better platforms for collaboration, teams can share knowledge and coordinate efforts more easily, no matter where they're located. 5. Building a sustainable future, reducing our environmental impact. Let's talk about sustainability, not as a buzzword, but as a responsibility. Sensors help us detect and repair leaks quickly, cutting down emissions. We can use data to track and optimize energy usage, which not only lowers costs but also reduces our carbon footprint. And when we minimize waste and improve how we operate, we're doing our part for a cleaner, more responsible industry. 6. Getting started, a phased approach. Now, digital transformation isn't a one-and-done project. It's a journey. And like any good journey, it starts with a single step. Begin with a small, focused pilot, something where digital tools can bring a clear, measurable benefit. Track your progress, learn from it, then scale up. Bit by bit, you'll build momentum and bring more people along for the ride. Final thought. In today's fast-moving world, staying the same just isn't an option. By embracing digital technologies one step at a time, we're not just keeping up. We're building something better, a safer, smarter, and more sustainable future for our industry and for everyone who depends on it.